Hey, good morning everyone. How you all doing? This is Brother Rose. Today we're gonna talk about eating the right food. Nowadays, in modern time now, you have to be careful of the type of food that you eat, because there's so much genetic modified food out there. Believe me when me tell you that. There is so much genetic modified food out there. Sometimes you get sick and you wonder why you get sick. You go to the doctor and sometimes the doctor not even can find a complaint. The next thing again is the doctor and the pharmacy. You don't realize that they are doing a business, although they are doing some very good work, because at the end of the day, them heal you. You know, you get better and them heal you and them thing there. But the problem that the tablet them give you, notice every tablet have a side effect. And what you don't understand is the same food, that is the same herbs that you see every day them use to make this tablet, but the only difference with it, they had the jugs to it. They had jugs to it. And sometimes it heal one part and it mess you up one part. Now, I'm gonna give you a list of some of the food them that they modify. Did you know that papaya, corn, carrot, sweet pepper, most of these food are modified food? You have to be careful. You know, like with the Jamaican, we go a Coronation Market, go buy, and we see a lady with some big pretty pepper, and you see another lady with some little fine pepper. You say, sure, you don't want them one day, you want the big one, just like the carrot. You see some lady with a whole heap of fine carrot, and you say them carrot, they too little, them big pretty one that you want, and you not even realize that those big pretty one that you see, those are the modified food. Those one them where you see little, those are the one where really have the supplement and the energy and everything in it, because they are the original one. Yeah, trust me, information is just a click of your fingertip, people. Be careful of the food you eat. You ever hear the government advertise say, grow where you eat and eat where you grow? It's actually telling you that. So you have to start grow your own product and eat it. Be careful when you go to the supermarket. Make sure you go at the organic part and shopping. It's a bit more expensive, but trust me, it is good for you. Cut out all of these oil. The best oil for use is coconut oil. Remember, your body is, we are electrical beam, you know. Trust me. So we need to start eat alkaline food, electrical food. Trust me, right now, the amount of shock when you ever just touch something and it shock you with nothing at all, everything when me touch shock. If me come out of my car and me touch you outside, it shock me. If me pass a post, it shock me. If me take up a sheet, it shock me. Trust me. It start to eat. Melon is very, very good for your eye, especially if you blend it with the green part of it. You see me? Whole heap of energy it give you. So, people, are time for eat right. You see me? Keep yourself out the hospital. Keep your body healthy. It's time to cut out all of these red meat, you know, these pork, beef, and just start eating natural stuff, fish, vegetable, and feed your body with supplement. Blend up your banana and your leeks and them little something there. And avocado is very, very good for you. Trust me, the amount of punch your avocado have. You see all the seed? You can use all the seed boiled tea. Trust me right now. And cut out sugar. Sugar is very, very bad for you. Trust me, since me start drink my tea without sugar, you know, at first it tastes bad, but now it just come like it is so nice. I mean, me not drink no artificial tea. Me drink natural tea. Me rosemary, me cerasee tea, thyme leaf, garlic, lemon. These are the tea that I drink. Start drinking natural, and trust me, you see, by 3 months time, you're frightened for know your eyesight open. Your body get energized. Everything. So you don't know. This is Brother Rose. Healthy eating. Big up on yourself. Big up all Prayer Link family. Prayer warriors. Big up on yourself. Remember to pray and cover yourself. Eat right.